Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use this Anko spot cleaner to clean your seats in your car and your armrest on the doors. Now with this cleaner I'm going to use this liquid, the upholstery cleaner, and the spot cleaner comes with all these little adapters. So there's a few adapters. You can use this cleaner to also clean carpet, your sofa, or if you want to remove any spots and stain from upholstery. So I'm going to spray here the seat here. It's made out of fabric. So don't use this on leather. Just spray it with the liquid. Just give it a good spray. You should feel that it's damp. Then use the suction and suck up the water. You see it here that you can see the water coming through and it's a bit dirty. If your car has these armrests that are also made out of fabric, you can use the spot cleaner to give it a good clean as well. Just spray it with water using the nozzle and then use the suction hose to just suction all the water out. It won't be completely dry, but just leave it in a dry area and hopefully it'll just dry itself. If you check the water container, you see how dirty the water is. That means you've done a great job. The seats are a lot cleaner. Just make sure that you pour the water out in the drain. Hope this video helped, and if it did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.